Voss was built on relational, service-oriented sales. Most of those relationships were formed with the people responsible for changing old lamps and failed ballasts, the maintenance staff. We made their lives easier with custom order forms and excellent service. We sold them on long-life products because they wanted to have time to address all the other needs in their facility. They didn't care how much energy the bulb or ballast saved, but they were able to use that information to convince the higher-ups, if necessary. It was a good system, and it still works for bulbs and ballasts, but LED technology has changed things. For the majority of our customers, our primary contact is the maintenance team. This made sense in the past because lamps and ballasts needed to be replaced often, and the maintenance team were responsible for managing inventory and installing replacements. Fixtures are a whole new ballgame. We aren't just changing the light source anymore. We're changing the entire optical system and the visible housing as well. A replacement fixture opens up so many more ways lighting can provide value to a customer, and you need to be able to explain that value if you want to get past just competing on cost. But explaining that value to the maintenance team is probably wasted effort. First, the best solution for the property owner or tenant might not be the one that appeals to the maintenance staff. They don't pay the electricity bill. They want something easy to install that will last a long time. What about the value of a well-lit facility? What about the impact on employee comfort, security, and well-being? What about the value of drawing customer attention through a well-lit sign or building front, or color-changing lights? Those are benefits that appeal to the property or business owner, not the maintenance crew. Second, the maintenance person probably isn't authorized to make the decision. Replacement fixtures are often more expensive than retrofits or lamp upgrades, and the maintenance person has limited say over how the budget gets spent. Sure, the facilities person might take your proposal to the decision maker, but do you want the success of this job to depend on the sales skills of the maintenance staff? That's not what they do. You need to be in that room, asking the owner or manager what matters most to them and hearing their responses. You need to explain the incredible advantages that our proposed fixture provides them, advantages they care about, not generic feature lists. Get in that room, get in that conversation, and then get that fixture sale. If you need help along the way, we're here for you. For information on all things lighting and our fixture and controls portfolio, visit our website